What's going on, everybody? Today we are in Las Vegas and I'm with the incredible
Shannon Lynn Fitness.
And we are going to be shooting glitter today. Now, a few words of precaution. We're shooting at a undisclosed hotel in let's use a different city so we don't get busted. In New Jersey. And we are going to give you this little disclaimer. I don't recommend that you use hotels because you could get a cleaning fee. I've been at a hotel in New Jersey before where they charge us $300 because we left a little bit, a lot of a mess. We spent about 4 hours cleaning, and so that's the pain in the butt thing about these kinds of shoots. But the images are kind of cool, and you can get lots of people. Well, let's ask her. What made you want to do this kind of shoot?
Because it's amazing. Everything, the glitter just makes your body look completely amazing. So, yeah.
I don't get it. It's messy. It never goes away. My wife did glitter like 3 years ago, and there's still glitter every time she goes to the bathroom. Probably too much information, huh? Yeah, sparkles. Anyway, we've got a couple people here. I think she's done glitter before, and she's done glitter before, and she's done glitter before. And my wife has done glitter before. Everyone in this room has done glitter except for Roberto, who is behind the camera. All right, let's get started. As for protecting the environment, we try to do our parts. That sounds kind of corny, huh? All right, so try to limit the amount of glitter that goes down the drain. I've got a piece of fabric that I picked up from, let me get this, like Joann's or something. Yeah. And so we tape this over on top of the drain. This helps filter out the water so you can drain the tub. Also, one thing to tell the model, when you're using water, the hotter the water, the less the glitter floats on top. So water, ideally, is gonna be lukewarm, so they're comfortable, not shivering. But if they get cold, that's actually good because it's not intended to be a long shoot because you're gonna start turning pruny. And so warm when they get in, it'll cool off. By that point, they'll be ready to get out and then you can clean up to get the next one in. Let's go fill up. Lighting good on my face? I look pretty? Got one single light. I'm using a Interfit Badger Unleashed and we're using Canon 5D Mark IV with a 50mm 1.2. Let's take a few test shots and then we'll get started. We'll start off shooting at 1.2, ISO 100 at 1/160th of a second.
If I said I needed your love, well, not said enough. I went crazy for a while, called you crazy for a while. Well, honey, I was just a child, feeling hurt and acting out, singing that you hear me now. Felt some pains I won't forget, hate every man I hear with. Said some things I never meant, take them back if I know it, lead to you and I again. Oh, if I